It was an evening of cultural expressions as Jamaicans from all walks of life gathered to celebrate the life of a freedom fighter extraordinaire and a statesman of impeccable character, the late Nelson Madiba Mandela. After spending some 27 years in prison for his fight against apartheid, Mandela became the first black president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. And with Jamaica and South Africa establishing diplomatic relations on September 9, 1994, it was only fitting that Jamaica paid tribute to the icon, showing commitment to South Africa while keeping Mandela's legacy alive. Events included a 5-day period of mourning, signing of a condolence book, a joint sitting of Parliament, a memorial service, and the climax, an evening of artistic celebration, free of cost to the public at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center. From the young,
I'm having fun.
to the not so young,
I love Mandela so much. I even tell my son that if I did have money, I would reach Africa at his funeral.
the artistic extravaganza at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center in honor of the late Nelson Mandela was an event to remember, one for the video archives if you wish. The Lakatka drummers kicked off the evening celebration, which was organized by the Ministry of Youth and Culture, produced by the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission JCDC, and sponsored by Digicel.
The purpose of this concert is to give Jamaicans an opportunity to share in Mandela's life and to feel a part of our collective responsibility for going forward to protect that legacy and to feel a part of sharing in their awareness that Jamaica played such an integral role in the freedom of South Africa.
The artists, they're all here, supporting and paying tribute in through their various forms of talents, and the persons have come out, to see those talents on display this evening.
Nelson Mandela fight for human rights and the upliftment of the people. We tell area, he love the most high king. We know in a no fighting and just love I bring. Even for the foes I sing. Fear is still a cry, crying, me crying every day. Mandela crying out for justice every day. What we say, Babylon, you children gone down, gone down. Babylon, you children gone down.
The spoken word was just as effective in hailing Mandela as a true hero.
Mr. Mandela speaks to me. For a revolution, my daughter, is not a question of pulling a trigger. Its purpose is to create a fair and just society.
We need some heroes. For we're tired and vexed and broken-hearted, our tropical paradise long departed. Turn rudderless ship a sail in a tsunami. Need some heroes to steer the vessel and calmly.
I let chat the kid away, go say for Ricky. I pray, I said no lead and no announce them. I guess the whole of them gone. We miss Nelson Mandela. We miss Mandela.
I'm just here to have fun.
To celebrate Nelson Mandela's life and works.
To see, what he has done, the work that he has done, and hear about new things and how we can, how he has impacted a lot of people.
I think the world of him. He is a leader. He has done so much for the world. He has made it a better place.
I think he's a major part in Jamaica's culture and history.
On his release from prison in 1990, he said, "I stand before you not as a prophet, but as a humble servant of you, the people."
It was Nelson Mandela who also said, "If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart." So quite appropriately, the sounds from Africa penetrated the airwaves.
Elele Motire, Elele Motire, the Pamala Kosi.
Speaking of different languages, how could we forget the group with a difference?
Unrest. And one more time, another system is put to the test.
Boy, take it down low. 27 years, they lock Mandela in a jail.
Now, Nelson Mandela suffered great hardship, but amidst the pain, he captivated audiences worldwide with that intoxicating ear-to-ear grin. As Chronics pointed out, he always found reasons to showcase that tantalizing smile. Jamaicans were asked to take a page out of Mandela's book.
And I said smile, smile for me, Jamaica. Oh, I said smile. Whoa, smile for me, Jamaica. Mandela, say Mandela.
I'm really proud of him and what he has done, the pace that he has set for us, and that legacy that he left behind. So I hope that we will continue to do that fight, not with stick and stones, but just stand up for ourselves as black people.
I'm proud to be black, I'm black to be proud. Marcus Garvey lead out 10 million black. I'm proud to be black, and I'm black to be. Now if you're proud, just shout it out loud. Sing the chorus, the black like a star. Black and my proud, you've got to know who you are.
Nelson Mandela is a personality that is larger than life. He impacted not only South Africa, but he impacted the world.
Thank you, Mr. Mandela. You are one great brother. God bless you, Mr. Mandela. Love and respect for